To another episode of Rainbow Man and Friends. Well, not really friend, but Rainbow Man and husband garage. So today we are taking off the wheel on our back wheel on the Chrysler because we are going to repack the bearings. We got a little noise, and I'm wanting to say maybe possibly the dust cap fell off for some reason or something. But we're going to find out here in just a second whenever Tommy gets this wheel pulled off. Uh, yeah, pretty much. This is the condition that it's in, so you might as well say it was off. So we are going to try to fix that somehow. I think the What No Way guy did something on how to fix that. So Tommy jacked the car up for me, and I took this drum off, and I don't think that that's supposed to do that. And then we were looking at our bearings, and I don't know, I'm just not comfortable with them. They seem to have like some flat edges. I don't know if you guys can really see that. So what we did was we took parts off the other car that we have, the 93. This is the 93 that we took everything off of. The only thing that seemed to really be of any kind of little worry was a little bit of rust on the inside of the drum, but I'm pretty sure that'll rub off. This thing's been sitting here for, I don't know, about 5-6 years. Here is our, I guess, newer drum. It is pretty awesome. It makes absolutely no noise. The dust cap is not going to come off. Thank you, Canada, for making these drums. We appreciate you and all that you have done for Chrysler and their K-Car lineup. To complete our rebuild, we have Rust Reformer. All right, new rotor, check. Craigslist rebuild complete. And here Tommy is putting the wheel back on. Thank you all for tuning in again to another episode of Rainbow Man Garage and Husband. We appreciate you. Y'all have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe.